Hey, SJ here, and I'm back with an on-feet review of the Nike SB Deconstructed Blazers. Let's get to it. Hey YouTube, SJ back, and I hope you enjoyed that little on-foot review of the Nike SB Blazers Deconstructed. Let's take another look at these beautiful shoes. Now, I'm hoping, I should have got them out of the box beforehand, shouldn't I? I'm not very good at this. I'm hoping, camera 2, you're picking up the beautiful leather on these shoes, and I hope that really came across in the on-feet, because these really are a stunning blazer from Nike. Are you getting all of this, Mr. B on Sneaker Cam? Now, on one of our Sunday streams, Mr. B actually unboxed the Deconstructed Dunk. And I've got to say, the leather, I know I talked about this loads in the initial unboxing, the leather on these Deconstructed blazers and the Dunks is just beautiful. It really is. Now, when we were filming my little on-feet review, the dog got involved and there's a little dirty mark. His little paw got a dirty mark on him. So I really need to put the old Crep Protect on these before I wear them outside, because even though I did the on foot, I've only been wearing these around the house to wear them in, because as I said right back in the initial unboxing video, these really are totally deconstructed. So there isn't any of the padding around the heel that you normally get in a pair of blazers. And I do have slightly weird ankles that stick out a bit and are prone to blisters. So I really want to wear these in, and I don't want them to hurt my feet at all. But yeah, I don't know what else to say other than these are a truly stunning shoe. And I have to say, out of all my pickups recently, these are my favourites. And Mr. B is grinning like a Cheshire cat behind the Sneaker Cam there, because he also loves his Deconstructed Dunks. So yeah, what more can I say other than a massive thumbs up to Nike SB for doing these Deconstructed. And you know what, Nike SB, you've kind of set the bar really early on this year for expectations on the quality of your next releases. So I don't know what's going to top these, or the Louis Marnells, which Mr. B got a few weeks ago. I mean, the quality is of epic proportions for Nike SB, and I haven't mind paying the money for them. So it's going to be an interesting few months to see if Nike SB can top these. What do we think, guys? Leave us comments. Do you think this is a bit of a boring shoe? I mean, I know it's just a plain white sneaker, but they're just too nice. Leave us your comments, let us know what you think. Let us know what you think of the on feet as well. And don't forget as well, if you haven't already, hit the old subscribe button, which is about here, and give us the old thumbs up. Loving all the comments coming through at the moment. It's good to have a bit of interaction with you guys. And don't forget, Sundays! Streaming Sundays! Or is it sneaker streaming Sundays? I don't know, I always get confused. Anyway, we do live unboxings and sneaker news and just generally talk nonsense, but it's fun. So come along, 8 p.m. GMT, 12 p.m. in California, my adopted home, and 3 p.m. on the East Coast. Go Knicks, go Knicks. Anyway, see you next time on the next review. Bye!